Ancient wonders, a timeless enigma. The pyramids of Egypt have captivated the human imagination for millennia. These colossal structures rising from the desert sands stand as enduring testaments to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Yet, despite centuries of study and exploration, the methods employed in their construction remain shrouded in mystery, sparking endless debate and speculation. The sheer scale of the pyramids is awe-inspiring. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for instance, is composed of over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. These massive blocks were quarried, transported and lifted into place with astonishing precision, a feat that continues to challenge our modern understanding of ancient engineering. The question of how these ancient people, without the aid of modern technology, accomplished such a monumental task has captivated scholars and enthusiasts alike. Was it the work of thousands of slaves toiling under the relentless desert sun, or did the Egyptians possess advanced knowledge and techniques lost to the sands of time? The mystery of the pyramids endures, beckoning us to delve deeper into the annals of history and unravel the secrets of these ancient wonders. The construction of the pyramids has been the subject of intense scrutiny and debate among archaeologists, engineers and historians. Numerous theories have been proposed, each attempting to explain how the ancient Egyptians overcame the logistical and engineering challenges inherent in such a monumental undertaking. One of the most enduring theories is the ramp theory, which postulates that the Egyptians constructed massive earthen ramps to haul the stone blocks up to the rising levels of the pyramid. These ramps, according to this theory, would have been gradually extended and raised as the pyramid grew in height, providing a continuous incline for the movement of the heavy stones. Another theory suggests that the Egyptians utilized a system of internal ramps built within the structure of the pyramid itself. These ramps, it is argued, would have been dismantled and reused as the construction progressed, leaving no visible trace on the exterior of the finished pyramid. Yet another theory proposes that the Egyptians harnessed the power of the Nile River to transport the massive stone blocks. According to this theory, the Egyptians would have floated the stones on barges during the annual flood of the Nile, utilizing a network of canals and waterways to bring the blocks as close as possible to the pyramid construction sites. Each of these theories presents compelling arguments and evidence, yet none fully explain the complexities and challenges of pyramid construction. The mystery endures, fueling our fascination with these ancient marvels and inspiring us to seek new insights into the ingenuity of our ancestors. The ramp theory has long been a cornerstone of conventional thinking on pyramid construction. It proposes a straightforward, if labor-intensive method: build a massive ramp leading up to the pyramid face, haul the stones up on sleds, and repeat for each layer. Proponents point to evidence of possible ramp remnants at some pyramid sites, and the concept aligns with the basic physics of moving heavy objects. As renowned Egyptologist Dr. Zahi Hawass stated, "The ramp is the most logical explanation we have for the transportation of the blocks. However, the sheer scale of the ramps required for the largest pyramids raises doubts. For the Great Pyramid, estimates suggest a ramp exceeding a mile in length and as wide as a football field would have been necessary. Constructing and dismantling such a colossal structure would have been a monumental undertaking in itself." Critics also argue that the angle of incline required for such a ramp would have been impractical, making it extremely difficult to drag the massive stones upwards. The ramp theory, while seemingly intuitive, faces significant logistical and practical challenges. The stones used in pyramid construction were not readily available at the building sites. They were quarried from distant locations, often miles away, presenting another logistical hurdle for the ancient builders. Evidence suggests the Egyptians were masters of quarrying, using copper tools and ingenious techniques to extract massive blocks from bedrock. Marks left by these tools are still visible in the quarries today, offering a glimpse into their methods. Transporting these multi-ton stones across vast distances was no mean feat. While land routes were likely used, the annual flooding of the Nile River provided a unique opportunity. The Nile, during its inundation, was the Egyptians' greatest ally, explains archaeologist Dr. Salama Ikram. They would have used the river's power to transport the heavy stones, floating them on barges to points nearer the construction sites. This theory is supported by the discovery of ancient harbors and canals near pyramid complexes, suggesting a sophisticated system for waterborne transport. Section 5. Internal ramps and lever systems, clues from within. The limitations of external ramps have led some researchers to explore alternative theories, focusing on methods that might have been employed within the pyramid structure itself. One such theory proposes the use of internal ramps, built within the pyramid's core as it was constructed. These ramps, potentially made of brick or stone, would have spiraled upwards, allowing for the transport of blocks to higher levels. The beauty of internal ramps is that they solve the problem of external ramp size and dismantling, argues engineer Dr. Peter James. They could be incorporated into the pyramid's design, leaving no trace once the structure was complete. Another intriguing possibility is the use of lever systems and counterweights. By employing ropes, rollers, and strategically placed weights, the Egyptians could have manipulated the massive stones with surprising efficiency. Evidence for such systems is circumstantial, relying on interpretations of architectural features and ancient illustrations. However, the ingenuity of these proposed methods makes them compelling avenues for further investigation. Section 6. The laborers of the pharaohs, architects of an empire. The construction of the pyramids was not only a feat of engineering, but also a testament to the organization and skill of the ancient Egyptian workforce. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves, but by skilled laborers, artisans, and craftsmen. These workers were recruited from across Egypt, drawn by the promise of wages, food, and shelter. They lived in temporary cities near the construction sites, forming a complex and hierarchical society. The pyramid builders were not slaves toiling in misery, emphasizes Dr. Mark Lehner, a leading expert on pyramid construction. They were skilled laborers, proud to be part of a project that glorified their pharaoh and their gods. These workers were organized into teams, each specializing in a particular aspect of the construction process. There were quarrymen, stonemasons, carpenters, scribes, and overseers, all working in concert to bring the pharaoh's vision to life. Section 7. Tools of the trade. Simple implements, extraordinary results. The ancient Egyptians achieved their architectural marvels with tools that might seem rudimentary by today's standards. They lacked the use of iron and steel, relying instead on copper, stone, and wood for their implements. Copper chisels and saws were used for quarrying and shaping the massive stone blocks. Wooden mallets and stone hammers provided the force for shaping and dressing the stones. For moving the heavy stones, the Egyptians employed a combination of human muscle power and simple machines. Sledges, rollers, levers, and ropes were essential tools for transporting and lifting the massive blocks. The ingenuity of the Egyptians lay not in the complexity of their tools, but in their understanding of basic physics and their ability to apply these principles on a monumental scale. Section 8. The significance of the pyramids, eternal sentinels of ancient Egypt. The pyramids of Egypt were more than just tombs for the pharaohs. They were powerful symbols of royal power, religious beliefs, and the Egyptians' intricate relationship with the afterlife. The pyramid's shape itself held deep symbolic meaning. Its sloping sides were believed to represent the rays of the sun, providing a pathway for the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the heavens. Inside the pyramids, elaborate chambers and passageways were decorated with hieroglyphics and scenes from Egyptian mythology, reflecting the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife and his reunion with the gods. The construction of the pyramids was a massive undertaking, requiring vast resources and decades of labor. This demonstrated the pharaoh's absolute power and the unwavering dedication of his people. Section 9. Conclusion: unlocking the secrets of the ancients. The mystery of the pyramids continues to captivate and inspire us. While we may never know with absolute certainty how these ancient wonders were built, each new discovery, each theory explored brings us closer to understanding the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramids stand as a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and the enduring power of belief. They remind us that even with limited technology, extraordinary feats of engineering and architecture are possible with determination, organization, and a profound understanding of the natural world. As we continue to study and explore these ancient structures, we unlock not only the secrets of the past, but also the potential within ourselves to achieve the seemingly impossible. The pyramids remain an enduring source of inspiration, challenging us to push the boundaries of our own knowledge and capabilities.